Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a 2-ingredient, really nice, soft slime. So, let's get into it. Then you're going to want to grab some flour. To start off, you're going to need a bowl and something to stir with. I'm using a spoon. And last, you want some shampoo. I'm using the shampoo, but it doesn't matter which type you use. I'm going to put a towel down just in case it makes a bit of a mess. First, you're going to take your bowl and put as much soap in there as about the amount of slime that you want. So I'm just going to put about that because you are going to be adding flour, which should make it a bit bigger. Then you're just going to add little bits of flour at a time and stir. As you can tell, not much has happened to mine yet, but that's because I've only put a little bit of flour in. But now I'm going to add some more and keep stirring. As you're probably able to tell, my slime is already starting to come together. Then when you feel that it's ready, you're going to take it out of the bowl and feel it. If it feels like it's a bit too sticky, feel free to just add some more flour and it should be fine. Now, I know I said 2-ingredient, but I guess it's 3 if you include food coloring. So I'm going to go ahead and add in food coloring. If you want to, this is the good time to do it now. So I went ahead and just added my food dye in there. You're just going to want to mix it around. I know it's not the stretchiest, but it does turn out really soft and nice. You just want to keep on mixing until it's the color you like. I chose green and now my fingers are stained green. Yay! And there you have it. Your nice, soft slime. That's only 2 ingredients. No borax, no glue. Hope you enjoyed. And don't forget to subscribe for more crafts like these. Bye!